Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Wise digital card. So, so there are ways in how to pay with Wise digital card. But first, what is this Wise digital card? The Wise digital card is a virtual debit card linked to your Wise account. It works just like a physical debit card, but exists only in Wise application. You
Now,
have
if
to
you want
take
to
note of
purchase
that. Online, you have to do the step-by-step tutorial here. You have to open the Wise app. Go to the Cards tab, tap on the digital card, and you will see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. You have to recheck this one right here. After that, use the card at checkout. On any online store, you need to enter the card number, enter expiry date, and then the CVV. Make sure that these are all correct. Use the billing address linked to your Wise account. After that, you can submit and confirm the payment. So some websites may send a code to your email or phone for extra security. So you have to make sure also that you have your internet with you. You have your email address. You can open your email address when you do the transaction or your phone is active. Now for in-store, via Apple Pay or Google Pay, add your Wise digital card to your phone's wallet and use it for tap to pay. So all you have to do is open the Wise app. Tap Add to Apple Wallet under your digital card. Now follow the prompts to add and verify. At the store, double click your side button and hold near the terminal. For Google Pay, it's the same thing. Just add to Google Pay under your digital card, confirm and verify, and then unlock your phone and tap to pay at any contactless terminal. And basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.